Welcome to another episode of Kupuna in the Park. Today we're going to make human flashcards. What we're going to do first is create our materials. Okay? What you need is 10 index cards, a glue stick, a tongue depressor, and a pen. Okay? You're going to make 10 cards going from 1 to 0. So on your card, you go 1, and then you're going to create these cards here. What I'll be doing now is asking some math equations, and you have to quickly come up with the correct answer. Okay, so here are the equations. 5 plus 4. 3 plus 5. 8 minus 6. 5 plus 1 minus 3. 4 minus 2 plus 6. 7 times 1. 3 times 2. 6 times 5. 32 divided by 8. Okay, now we're going to get a little bit harder. Our next set of questions will be one that you have to answer with a number. Question number 1. In the state of Hawaii, how many years would one term be for our governor? Correct. Our governor serves 4-year terms. Question 2. What is the number of mayors that serve the state of Hawaii? Right, the answer is 4. Hawaii County, Kauai County, Maui County, and the city and county of Honolulu. Question 3. How many colors are in a rainbow? Yes, we have 7 colors in the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Question 4. How many months begin with the letter J? Right, we have 3 months that begin with the letter J. January, June, and July. How many months have 28 days? Right, that was a tricky one. All 12 months have 28 days. How many days are in the month of April? Yes, we have 30 days in the month of April. Question 7. What is the number of states that begin with the letter A? Yes, we have 4 states that begin with the letter A. Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, and Arkansas. Question 8. How many stripes are on the United States flag? Yes, there are 13 stripes on the United States flag. Question 9, how many are red? Correct, 7 are red. And number 10, how many are white? Yes, 6 are white. I hope you got all the questions right. Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Kupuna in the Park.